Well, I rolled the old 300 up on the porch to hose it down to get ready for grip stud installation there on the rear tire. And I discovered my next project, which is swing arm bearings, which fucking sucks. I don't know if this is going to come through on the camera, but if you look here, I'm going to wiggle, you'll see the movement. Right there around that in here, that's not supposed to move, obviously. That's where your swing arm bearing is, where it pivots. So, new project. That moves a lot too. Kind of hear it clunk a little bit. All right, well, now I know what else I have to do. I'll go hit up Rocky Mountain and order up some swing arm bearings. Peace out.